Alright guys, just finished up a 2024 F250. It's got the 3-inch BDS radius arm kit, 37 1250 20 Toyo RT trails. We're running the factory wheels with a 1.5 inch Bora wheel spacers. This kit does 3 in the front and 1 in the back. It's got the Fox 2.0 shocks. You can see we've got the radius arms here. The radius arms are going to correct your caster. It's also got an adjustable trap bar to recenter your front axle. And as this truck does come factory with the ride height sensors, you're going to have to use the ride height sensor relocation brackets that you see here. There's also another component of them up here. These are going to be if your truck has the auto adjust headlights or the weigh scale system. You've also got a sensor on the back, as you see here. But since we're just using a rear lift block and not a lift spring, you don't have to do anything to modify that. You can see it's just got the 1-inch block that goes on top of the factory block. Now this block actually bolts into the spring pack, so it's not like you're stacking blocks. It just bolts into the factory spring pack. Fox 2.0 rear shocks. You see the adjustable BDS trap bar here. Also comes with your sway bar relocation brackets here. It's also got a bump stop extension up there on the frame rail. Let me see if I can get you in there. And that's going to be the majority of this kit. As far as tire clearance goes, no trimming involved for this setup. It is a little bit close in this area. This could be trimmed if you were going to do any off-roading. On normal street driving, it should never rub. Alright guys, that's going to be it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.